Section 4.5.8, the Exclusionary Rule. Hello, I'm Dr. Adam McKee. Today, we're delving into a fundamental aspect of criminal law and constitutional rights, the exclusionary rule. This rule plays a crucial role in shaping the procedures law enforcement must follow and ensuring that individuals' rights are protected within the justice system. The exclusionary rule is a legal principle in the United States that prevents evidence collected or analyzed in violation of the defendant's constitutional rights from being used in a court of law. This rule is intended to deter law enforcement officers from conducting searches and seizures that violate the Fourth Amendment's protections against unreasonable searches and seizures. The U.S. Supreme Court first established the exclusionary rule in 1914 with the case of Weeks v. U.S. Initially, this rule applied only to federal agents and federal cases. It was a response to widespread concerns about law enforcement overreach and the need to provide a method to enforce constitutional rights. In 1961, the landmark case Mapp v. Ohio significantly extended the exclusionary rule's reach. The Supreme Court ruled that the rule was fundamental to ensuring a fair trial, applying it to state courts through the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause. This decision marked a pivotal moment in the application of constitutional rights across all levels of law enforcement and court proceedings in the United States. Despite its critical role in protecting rights, the exclusionary rule has seen various exceptions carved out over the years, particularly as the composition of the Supreme Court has shifted. One significant exception is the good faith exception established by the Supreme Court in the 1984 case of U.S. v. Leon. According to this exception, if law enforcement officers act on a warrant they believe to be valid, but a court later finds the warrant to be invalid, the evidence obtained may still be used in court. This exception was created to address concerns that valuable evidence could be excluded simply due to technical errors or misjudgments, potentially letting guilty individuals go free because of procedural mistakes. The exclusionary rule has profound implications for law enforcement practices and the rights of individuals within the criminal justice system. By excluding illegally obtained evidence, the rule incentivizes police to adhere strictly to constitutional standards. It also serves as a critical check on police power, promoting accountability and helping to maintain public trust in the legal system. Despite its importance, the exclusionary rule remains a subject of significant debate. Critics argue that it allows technicalities to free guilty parties and hampers effective law enforcement. Proponents, however, see it as essential for the protection of individual rights and a necessary check on potential abuses of power. The exclusionary rule is a cornerstone of American legal doctrine concerning the admissibility of evidence in criminal trials. It is crucial for upholding the constitutional guarantee against unreasonable searches and seizures and ensuring that individuals' rights are respected throughout the legal process. Thank you for joining me as we explored the exclusionary rule and its impact on law enforcement and constitutional rights. If you found this discussion insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you view the balance between enforcing the law and protecting rights? This has been the Exclusionary Rule with Dr. Adam McKee. Continue to engage and expand your knowledge on important legal principles that shape our justice system.